You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am filming on a brand new camera, a brand new lens, so hopefully you like the quality. I'm getting used to like the settings and everything of the audio, so let's test the audio. Does it work? Okay, so I've checked the audio settings. I hope I can speak today. I haven't done like a proper sit down video in such a long time. So bear with me with the camera settings, the audio settings. Hopefully this sounds good. I'm gonna do some research with the camera settings because I don't think I've got the settings down yet. But I'm filming on the new camera, the new lens, and hopefully it's looking a lot more crisp than my last videos. Today, I've got a really exciting video today. It's another haul and it's an Ikea haul. One of my favourite things to watch. I love homeware hauls. I've got lots of stuff to show you. In preparation for my home tour, which is coming very soon, like I'm talking within the next week or so. So definitely hit the subscribe button if you are into homeware stuff. I love it. I'm obsessed. I love looking at how people style their homes. Yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm looking around. I've got so much to show you. I've got a lot of, I don't know if you can see this little guy, well, this big guy next to me. I'm going to show you him in a minute. But first of all, I'm going to start showing you throws. I sound like such an old woman. Because I'm getting really excited about throws now. Yay, 26-year-old Imogen is getting excited by throws. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was this beautiful... Also, I keep catching myself in the viewfinder. I feel like I'm going for like a 80s Madonna with this hair. I know I haven't really brushed it, so let's just ignore the hair. Anyway, going back to the green throw. I reckon this is like my favourite colour. Like, I'm obsessed with this green. I'd say it's like, is it like an emerald? A bit of a darker green than an emerald. So that's a throw, and I don't know if you've noticed, but we're going for like a green slash mustard theme in our lounge. And this was £13. So this was £13, which is a bargain because I've seen some throws. You can get throws for like 40 quid, and I'm not spending 40 quid on a throw. But this looks very expensive for £13. I thought that was worth picking up. By the way, I got a gift voucher for Ikea. Me and my boyfriend got a gift voucher from my dad and my stepmom. Thanks, Dad, and thanks, Denise. So this is all kindly gifted from my parents. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing we picked up was this odd run throw, and this is a throw to put over your well, wherever you want to put a throw, but I'm thinking of maybe using this as a tablecloth, because we're going for like a rustic slash cottagey vibe upstairs in the kitchen, and we've got like an old vintagey wooden table. So I thought if we throw this over there, then we can obviously protect it, and I think that would look really cute with loads of plants like running across the table. But you're going to see all of this in the home tour, so make sure you're subscribed. Yeah, okay, so they're the throws I picked up. The next thing I picked up was this beautiful cushion. Cushions can be quite expensive, and this was £4, so I thought that was a bargain. It's got a really nice pattern on it, and this will go perfectly with our lounge. Like I said, we're going for like a green mustard vibe in here. Liam last minute picked up one of these cushion covers because he was like, that's gonna go with our lounge. I cannot believe how much Liam has changed in like the last year or two. He is proper grown up and now he's picking up cushion covers and getting excited about it. What is going on? But unfortunately this was like last minute, so we don't actually have a cushion to put inside of that, so we need to try and find a cushion to go with the cushion cover. The next things we got are pretty boring things. Just some extra pillows just for upstairs for in the bedroom. Upstairs in the bedroom is one room that I wanted to keep quite clean looking and just not really anything to it, so it's very white and minimalistic and grey and green in there. So we just picked up some white pillowcases and white pillows. To stick with like the rustic cottagey vibe, I picked up this for upstairs. So I thought this would look really nice in the middle of our dining room table, and then maybe have like a plant on top of it or something like that. I also picked up this. It's like spotted pattern, and this will look perfect in our lounge because we've already got where are they? We've already got some things from Primark that are like basically pretty much the same pattern, but they're placemats and like coaster mats. So I thought that would look ideal in here with like a big chunky candle on it or something like that. And that, I think that was only like £2. How much was that? It was £1.50. Yeah, and this was £1.50 as well. Pretty good value. Next, we picked up these. At the moment, well, these are just, you know, to clip on the end of, like, say you've got some pasta or something that needs shutting. I was using pegs, and these are actually for what are they called? I don't know what they're called. I don't know what these are called, but they're just to close the food bags. I don't know. Food bag closers, I don't know. But I did actually see something on the vegan group on Facebook about little bugs and things getting into like food that you've not closed properly and you've just left in the cupboard, and it was disgusting. So I was like, right, I really need to start actually closing them with better things other than pegs. So that's that. The next thing, oh my god, let's move on to, oh, I got a couple more boring things to show you first. I picked up this bin. The thing that annoys me about Ikea is like, why are you giving me all this plastic? I don't need that plastic. It just annoys me when companies put extra packaging of plastic. It's really irritating. I picked up another one of these just for the washing up. This really cool, I feel like a beauty blogger. Is that even focusing? It's one of those really cool, quirky lights. And I got that because I've got like a cable and I just need a little bulb for the end of it. So I'm going to put that in there and then probably put that in the office. This is for our recycling. We've already got a big version of this just for our general waste, and we didn't have a recycling bin. So we was just piling it up next to the bin every time we needed to. So this is going to be a lot more tidier. Okay, so let's move on to the plants. Okay, this is like my favourite part of this. So I bought this artificial plant, which I don't really like artificial plants just because they really do look fake. But I think this looks quite good. This was like in the background of this shot. I think that's quite a good artificial plant, and it's just a lot easier to keep. We keep on killing plants, and that's why I'm trying to either get artificial plants or plants that can last without a lot of sunlight. The next guy we picked up is this massive, huge plant. He's beautiful. And he's in the shot as you've been seeing. And then the other two we picked up were these really cute lavender plants. I think these will go nicely in our bedroom just to give it a little pop of colour, because like I said earlier, it's very minimalistic in our bedroom, just white and clean looking kind of thing. I didn't really know what to go for in the bedroom, what style I wanted to go for, so we've just kept it really minimalistic. And those lavender plants, I think they're really £4. £6 for two, so £3 each they were. And then we picked up those white pots. I've also got another mini white pot for that artificial plant. And then we've got this. This is so cute. I spotted this, and as soon as I spotted it, I thought, right, that is perfect to have a massive plant in. So I'm going to put this guy in here. And we're going to keep that in the lounge somewhere. We're going to put it in the living room somewhere. But yeah, I just really love that like bohemian vibe. That's the kind of look we're going for. Next plant was another artificial number. Is this guy. So the pot I got from Asda, I think, or Sainsbury's. And then this is the artificial number that we picked up. I just thought this would go nicely upstairs because there's not a lot of light in our bedroom, so we don't want to like keep killing plants, so I thought that was a good option. And how much was that plant? Are you kidding?
Wow, well, I'm not going to tell Liam how much that cost.
It says £40. I don't know whether that's... Hang on a minute. Surely that's not right, because that one was £20. That real plant was £20. So the artificial one was £40. Wow. Okay. That is ridiculous. That's actually really annoyed me, because I could have got two of these lovely little things. Real ones. Okay, stop thinking about it, Imogen, because you're going to overthink it. Wow, okay, that was £40. So I think that's personally a bit too expensive when you can get a really nice real plant for 20. We have also picked up an Alex drawer, which was £55, and we just needed some more storage space in the office. So we've got an Alex drawer to go underneath our desk that we already have. So I just took two of the legs off of the desk and put the Alex drawer underneath. Those Alex drawers are really good. I put it up yesterday in like half an hour, 20 minutes. So I think those small Alex drawers are really, really worth it. The last thing we picked up was this massive mustard rug. And that's because, like I said before, we're going for like a green mustard vibe in the lounge. And I think this would look really good underneath our coffee table, just to kind of tie all the little accents in together. But I'll show you this rolled out. You probably would have already seen it overlaid. And that is the end of my Ikea haul. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I have got loads of homeware, loads of home content coming up, and I can't wait to show you guys my actual home in the home tour that's coming up. So don't forget to hit subscribe, leave a little like because it helps my channel grow, and leave me a little comment telling me what kind of thing in this haul, which item was your favourite item, and do you have Ikea in your country, wherever you are? Yeah, okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget my upload days are Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm sticking to the schedule, and I love you so much, and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!